certainly was talking about those strong winds that we were experiencing yesterday, and are at least gone, but certainly not forgotten in the region. We saw that they knocked down trees and power lines, and a lot of those trees fell on homes, causing major damage. Local families are certainly being impacted. We've been really tracking a lot of the damage across the region, especially in Montgomery County. And Monday, this is in Tuckerman Lane near Lancelot Drive. A tree came down on this two-lane road, blocking one lane, and it took several power lines down with it, certainly causing some traffic backups with drivers trying to maneuver around that. Obviously, challenges throughout the region because of the strong and severe winds causing a lot of damage across the board.
Yes, definitely tough to see all that damage, but understandable considering how fast the wind was picking up yesterday. So hopefully they can do some cleanup here soon, and glad to see power is coming on in a lot of areas that lost power yesterday.